pick myself up, moving on to the better. Hey. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Fuck with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that, this is big as it gets.
Made it here, just met with the Audi guys, but I opted to stay back and get some drone footage, so hopefully you guys like that. Let's head to this Cars and Coffee. Oh, hell yeah, man. Thank you so much. Appreciate you.
Oh, they don't let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition. We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but
I want your honest opinion on the Artura. I've been really considering this as my first entry level. I don't know, do we even call it a supercar? I just don't know how I feel about a V6 McLaren. Last but not least, which one of these bad boys do you think would hold their value better? The LC500 or the McLaren Artura? Drop that in the comments below. My guess is that in 10 years from now, it's going to be worth a lot more than that Artura. Look at this interior, ladies and gentlemen. All right, we've seen this SQ5 before, but I really dig the way this thing sits. Looks clean. Boys and girls, look at this interior. Holy shit. Curious to see how many miles this thing has on it. It's got 18,000 miles. No wonder this thing looks so mint. This is probably the most expensive car in this entire place. Beautiful McLaren Senna. STO. It's probably my favorite Lambo color right here. This thing is sweet. Man, these things are sick. I want to hear this thing rev up a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see it through the glass here. But this is a Mercedes 300 SL. Man, this thing is beautiful. Beautiful car. Carbon buckets. This thing is sick. This is what Miss Arroyo is in the market for. GT3 RS. I know your time is valuable, so if you're still watching, I appreciate you taking your time watching. Thank you for the love and support, and we'll catch you on the next video.